Looking for a premium frying pan that combines style, durability, and professional quality results? This Made in Cookware 12-inch stainless steel frying pan might just be the ideal addition to your kitchen. Crafted in Italy from high-quality stainless steel, this pan is designed for professional chefs and home cooks who want a versatile, responsive, and long-lasting pan. This review dives deep into the features that make this 12-inch pan a standout piece, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your cooking needs. Why choose Made In's stainless steel frying pan? If you're tired of replacing cookware that doesn't stand up to everyday use, investing in this Made In frying pan could be a game changer. Built to last and designed for performance, this pan brings both style and substance to the kitchen. Made In's commitment to quality is evident in every aspect of this pan, from its superior heat control to its polished finish. With its ample cooking space and compatibility with various cooktops, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Whether you're cooking for a family or just for yourself, this frying pan will elevate your culinary experience. Why Made In's 12-inch stainless steel frying pan stands out? 5-ply stainless clad construction for optimal heat control. When it comes to premium cookware, construction matters. The Made In frying pan features 5 layers of stainless steel and aluminum, providing even heat distribution and control across the entire cooking surface. This means no more worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, this pan delivers restaurant-quality results. The combination of materials also makes this pan highly responsive to temperature changes, which is essential for delicate dishes like fish or perfectly seared steaks. With its 12-inch diameter and 9.5-inch cooking surface, this pan offers ample space for a variety of ingredients, making it a versatile workhorse in the kitchen. Key features of the Made In 12-inch stainless steel frying pan. 1. Durable, 5-ply stainless clad. This pan is constructed with 5 layers of premium metals, making it exceptionally durable and offering optimal heat conductivity. The stainless clad design ensures the pan heats evenly and responds quickly to changes in cooking temperature. 2. Induction Compatible. With a top layer of 430 stainless steel, the Made In frying pan is compatible with all types of cooktops, including induction. This feature makes it a versatile choice for any kitchen, regardless of your stove type. 3. Stay Cool Handle. The handle is designed to stay cool even while cooking, providing a comfortable grip that doesn't compromise on safety. It's securely attached with stainless steel rivets, ensuring long-lasting performance even with daily use. 4. Expert Italian Craftsmanship. This pan is expertly crafted in Italy, known for its high standards in culinary tools. Made In has combined modern innovation with traditional craftsmanship, resulting in a pan that's as beautiful as it is functional. 5. Oven safe and easy to clean. This pan is oven safe, so you can transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven when cooking complex dishes. While not dishwasher safe, it's easy to clean with just warm water and a non-abrasive sponge, thanks to its polished surface. Benefits of using the Made In stainless steel frying pan. One of the greatest advantages of this pan is its versatility. With a 12-inch diameter, it can handle a wide range of dishes, from searing large cuts of meat to sautéing vegetables or even frying eggs. This adaptability makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to streamline their cookware collection. Thanks to its 5-ply stainless clad construction, this frying pan heats up quickly and retains heat evenly. This control allows you to cook delicate dishes with precision, achieving perfect browning and caramelization without burning. It's perfect for recipes that require precise heat management. Elegant design and Italian craftsmanship. Beyond functionality, this frying pan adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its sleek, polished exterior reflects the high standards of Italian craftsmanship, making it a piece you'll be proud to display. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply appreciate high-quality tools, this pan will elevate your kitchen aesthetic. Who is the Made In 12-inch frying pan for? This frying pan is ideal for home cooks who value quality and versatility in their cookware. It's also perfect for those who want a piece that can perform under pressure, whether they're preparing everyday meals or gourmet recipes. While it's slightly more expensive than other pans, the durability and performance of the Made In pan make it worth every penny. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.